When you get Mr. Brown, you get all of Mr. Brown. So if it's working with kids, if it's working with your staff, if it's motivational speeches, I think Mr. Brown gives 110% every time.
I think every child needs to be safe. I think every child also needs to be honored and to be recognized, and I think that Mr. Brown helps fill that need.
Whenever you have a speaker come in, you want to be sure that they're going to connect with your students. There was absolutely no doubt that there was a connection with Mr. Brown and all of our students. Their laughter, they just were so engaged throughout the entire assembly. So it's important to find somebody who's going to be motivating for the kids and someone that they connect with. And that was spot on with Mr. Brown.
That's our common goal. Staff working with Mr. Brown, working as a school community. We want our kids to make better choices, to make a better life.